If your Chevrolet displays service transmission now, unable to shift soon, it means the transmission control module has detected a serious fault. This warning is designed to protect the transmission from further damage and may soon trigger limp mode, limiting gear changes and performance. Ignoring it can lead to expensive internal damage, so acting quickly is essential. Important steps: 1. Safely reduce speed and avoid aggressive acceleration or towing. 2. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve transmission fault codes for accurate diagnosis. 3. Check the transmission fluid level and condition, looking for low levels, dark color, or a burnt smell. 4. If the vehicle begins shifting harshly or won't change gears, stop driving and arrange professional service. 5. Have a qualified technician inspect for pressure issues, solenoid faults, or overheating problems. 6. After repairs, follow recommended maintenance schedules using GM-approved transmission fluid.